This is a video to show how to submit a screening form online using your computer. First, you will open your web browser and type into the address bar https://screeningforms.vbcps.com. You will be brought to the Screening Incentive Forms page that looks like this. You can also access this link on the Benefits at the Beach website or from the Benefits menu in your Personify Health account. You will note that all required fields are marked with a red asterisk. These fields must be completed in order to proceed with the screening submission. You will first select whether you are a city employee or a school employee. If you are a school employee, you will be prompted with a new message and a link to a new submission page. As a school employee, you will select this link to proceed, and you may be prompted to log in to Laserfiche. If you are required to log in, you will need to use your short network email address and your current network password. For this example, I will proceed as a city employee. You will then select the type of screening incentive form you are submitting: annual physical, colonoscopy or fecal immunochemical test screening, mammogram screening, Pap screening, or prostate screening. For this example, I will proceed with submission of an annual physical. Next, you will be asked to select if you are enrolled in Sentara Health Plans through Virginia Beach City Public Schools or City of Virginia Beach. If you are insured through the Sentara Health Plans, you will receive a message informing you not to submit a screening form. Sentara Health Plans members will be automatically awarded points for their annual physical and cancer screenings without the added step of manually submitting the screening forms online. Please note, prostate screenings are not automatically awarded. Therefore, to be rewarded for a prostate screening, a screening incentive form must be submitted through this process regardless of insurance coverage. Complete the remaining required fields. Because middle name is not marked as required, you do not need to fill this in. When entering your phone number, you must include dashes, or your form will not be submitted. It is also important to note you may not submit an incentive form for a scheduled screening occurring on a future date. Screening forms may only be submitted after the screening has been completed. Therefore, you will not be able to select a future date. You must attach documentation from your physician's office. This documentation can be a screenshot of a patient portal, such as MyChart, or you can take a picture of documentation from your provider's office and save it to your computer to upload. Your documentation must include your full name, the date the procedure was performed, and the type of procedure performed. For each incentive form type, you will see a listing of procedure name examples that are acceptable for documentation. For the annual physical, this includes CPE or complete physical exam, annual physical, or general annual exam. We do not need to see procedure or test results for any type of screening submission. At this time, you are ready to upload your documentation. Please be sure that your documentation is formatted as one of the allowable file types, is no larger than 250 megabytes, and is not password protected. Select the Upload Documentation button, find and select the document that you would like to upload, and click Open. You may upload more than one document to the screening submission if needed, by selecting the Upload Documentation button again. Once all documents are loaded, you'll be able to select Submit. Please be aware that when uploading large files, it may take a little time for the upload to complete. You have now submitted your screening. You will see the message, "Thank you. Your form has been submitted." This means that your form has been sent to BeWell for review. If there is anything wrong with your submission or the provided documentation, you will receive an email from BeWell letting you know what is missing and requesting that you resubmit your screening. Please allow up to 4 weeks for BeWell to process your screening and for your points to be awarded in Personify Health. Once completed, you can download, print, or email your submission. You can also choose to submit another screening if you would like. And that is how you submit a screening form from a computer.